Okay, so today I'm going to be going over a video. It's a leaking J-trap underneath of a kitchen sink. Used my cell phone, then went and used my GoPro. But let's get right into it. So this is not the cleanest. It's definitely been neglected. This leak has apparently been going on, and nobody decided to say anything until now. So we just getting in here, kind of got my camera, my light on, just see what I'm working with. Sometimes those nuts can just be tightened right up. It'll fix your problem, but in this situation it's not really the case. So I unscrewed it, looking at my threads, kind of getting my camera around the back side. I can see the threads are kind of chewed up, and when those threads are like that, it's not really gonna ever seal properly. We want nice clean threads, so when we go ahead and screw that lock nut in, the 90 out going out through our wall will actually seat in there, and the water will flow freely with no leaks. So that's kind of what we're looking for. So let's go and get right into it. I grabbed a few things that I'm gonna need for this small project. I throw my gloves on just so my Ote doesn't get on my hands, and you know, you're messing with sewage drain. So got my channel locks, my gloves, Ote pipe cleaner, PVC cement, 2-foot PVC pipe, and this piece right here will connect to the downspout coming down from the bottom of the sink. And of course, our new J-trap. And this section right here that I'm unscrewing is actually going to be pretty much the culprit in this quick fix. Nice clean threads. And what I'm going to do is pretty much just mimic the old one. I'm just going to rebuild the old one. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my tape measure. Measure that center section. I'm getting about 3 inches. Got a pen marker. I just use a little tool, scratch it in 3 inches. Now normally I would use a pipe cutter, but of course I don't have the right size with me. So the DeWalt chop saw will do it just perfectly, or just as good. Hit that one good time. Go ahead and we're going to dry fit it. Boom. Look like I got it right in the first try. I can get this open. Let me see. Okay. Go ahead and open up your cement. Put your cleaner on there. Get the inside. Hit it a few times. All of our pieces that were connected, we want to go ahead and clean it with our purple cleaner. Let that dry. Go ahead and get our blue cement going on. You can hit both sides if you want. I normally do. Go ahead and push that bad boy in. Get your other side going. Go ahead and put that on. Line it up, see what we looking like. Looks like our new one's a little too tall, so just push it down some more. 1/4 inch off. Push it down again. Let's see what we get. Right on the money. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and vacuum up some of this nasty stuff that they got down in there. Go ahead and try to pop it on for the first time. Can't get those threads to latch in good. We're gonna go ahead and try it again. but I'm not going to play with it too much. I already know the problem, so I'm going to go ahead and get my saw out. I'm going to go ahead and just cut that 90 off close as I can get it, so I can put on a new 90 and have some fresh threads for us to screw into. So get that off. Same process. I'm not going to do the long version of this, but go ahead, clean that. Clean your pipe coming out the wall. Lock that on. Once you get it on, go ahead and put some type of pipe dope or joint compound or something around there, something to seal those threads, so when that water's running, it can lock everything in there nice and good. So go ahead and put out a new piece. Put that up to our new threads.
Alright, yeah, I just heard every, what's the name? Hold on, let me look at it.
Screw everything nice and snug, real tight, hand tight, real tight though. Don't overdo it, don't crack it. Turn our water on. I took my camera off so y'all can see a little better back there. No leaks. Check the other side. Let it run for a little while. And you can see where I cut off the old one and put the new one on, but it's looking real good. No leaks, no nothing. That's exactly what we want. All done.